बिल्कुल। चलिए, इस बीच बंधन बैंक इसकी ब्रांच ओपन हो रही है, जहां पे सेबी चीफ मिस्टर यूके सिन्हा इस समय मौजूद हैं और वो बोल रहे हैं। सुनते हैं क्या कह रहे हैं।
Bandhan Bank. I also wish to compliment the Reserve Bank of India for their very cautious policy on banking regulation, which is development oriented but also with lot of caution. And this is one of the reasons why the banking system in India today is strong, and we have been able to face as a country many of the challenges which other parts of the world have not been able to face so successfully. So far as we are concerned in SEBI, we are noticing that there is some activity, positive activity in the primary market so far as fundraising is concerned. In this time period of last 8 months in this financial year, we already have IPOs and primary market raising which is double the size of the entire year. Against around 9,500 crores last year, around 18,000 crores have been raised. But the important thing is the composition of the companies which have come in. So there is a major shift which we are noticing in the economic activity in this country. All the companies or the sectors which were traditionally very active in fundraising have not come out with a single IPO this year. For example, if you look at steel or power or allied sectors, there is not a single IPO. Whereas internet-based companies or companies in the hospitality sector, in hospitals, education, these are the companies which have raised. I was myself surprised when I noticed that out of 18,000 crores of IPO, around 16,000 crore was raised by such companies. So all of us, and bankers included, have to take note of the direction in which our economy is moving, the activity is moving. And although this is a global phenomenon, but I understand that the Indian scenario is much more robust, and with a young and educated population, I am sure this trend is going to only further accelerate. I am also noticing that retail participation in the securities market is happening in a very healthy way through the mutual fund route. Last year around 72,000 crores of equity money net flow was there, and this year we have already seen around 60,000 crores. We have seen about 4 million new folios coming in. So generally I would like to wrap up by saying that we are seeing some very positive signs in the market, and I hope the banking sector and the securities market will be jointly able to take care of the needs and aspirations of the population of this country. I wish the Bandhan Bank all the very best on this occasion, and I am indeed grateful to Mr. Ghosh for inviting me for this occasion.
तो ये थे सेबी चीफ यूके सिन्हा बंधन बैंक की ब्रांच ओपनिंग में बात करते हुए। इस बीच एक बार देख लेते हैं टाइल्स